It's been a while. By the time you see this video, it would have been a month already. I have an explanation. I want realness on my channel, so I'm gonna keep it real. I had a very bad creative block, okay? But we're back and we're better. Bryson Tiller. In this video, we are going to be doing the ultimate yearly reset. I'm talking about decluttering, cleaning, setting goals, planning, praying. At first, I was going to start the video off vlogging my Christmas and stuff like that, but then I lost motivation to do that as I was vlogging that day. But anyway, I have clothes that I want to get rid of. We're going to be going through my closet. I really wish y'all could see. Matter of fact, y'all are going to see. My closet looks freaking crazy. I'm going to show you guys what I did so far. Organize the stuff that I usually use for my foot issue. So I have all like my foot wraps and I have my 2 heating pads in here. I have this bin of blankets. I have this bin full of stuffed animals. My stuffed animals were in boxes. These 3 blankets were all over the place in my closet. Everything that was in here besides this, because I just got this, everything that's in here was literally sitting inside of a see-through FedEx bag that I was given when I worked at FedEx. So it was just sitting there. And it was also sitting there in there mixed up with my makeup. So I just put all the stuff in bins and put it under my bed. About to get into my closet. Hopefully this light don't die.
Ladies, drama, leave it home. If he ain't got it right by now, then scratch him off. They just call me, said it's about 20 strong. They standing at the door, don't wanna take us on. The ring, let it go by 3 months ago. The pain, the stress, that ain't me no more. The girl that they used to know done changed. Now they say I miss before they mention my name.
The reason I'm keeping these is because I feel like these are still cute and I low-key just bought these. Also, I feel like I can do a cute little Bratz winter themed outfit with these whenever I start getting fur coats. Yeah, I'm not gonna keep this dress because let me go back to what I looked like in the dress. Yeah, I'm not keeping this. Keep this. Hold on. We need to call reinforcements. Ma'am, do you think I should keep this dress?
That's cute.
I'm trying to figure out if I want to keep this. This is what I wore on my photo shoot. I'm going to keep it for now. We're going to see what we can style it with later on. I still like this outfit, like I'm not gonna lie, but
It's the shirt.
I'm not really too fond of the shirt anymore, but I love these pants. Like these pants make, you know what I just realized? I'm gaining weight. You understand if you understand. I just don't like the shirt. Like I don't like this. Like this is crazy. Everything else is fine. I'm debating on if I should keep these. I like them. I just need to iron. That's really it. I stopped liking skinny jeans probably about like a cool 3 years ago. All my skinny jeans are on this ground right here. I think I only have like 2 pairs. My favorite pair of jeans right now, my favorite, is literally my favorite pair. Like I don't care. This eats. These are so cute. I want to find some more like these. I found these at where I get these from. I found these at Ross. The thing I don't like about these pants is that they're too big. Like look, too big. These are all the jackets that I'm keeping. All the other clothes over there I'm keeping in this. I have a feeling that I know somebody who will want this. I'm gonna get started on my dresser now. This drawer was supposed to be pajama sets. I turned it into something else because I only have 1 pajama set. This was gonna be t-shirts, shorts if I don't feel like wearing pajama sets, because when I'm on my period, I do not wear nothing I don't want to mess up. This is my underwear / sock drawer, and this is my athletic wear drawer. All 4 of these drawers look pathetic.
Game on me. Told him, partner, don't get too close. So comfortable, cause the quick game
That's my closet. Those are empty hangers. Those are my rows back there. I separated everything by occasion and color. I also went ahead and organized my pajamas. These are the bottoms and these are the shirts. Majority of these are big shirts. I use them as nightgowns. And this is my athletic drawer that has nothing in it but my waist trainer and my shorts because I don't have any tops yet. There's like 2 things in there that I might end up selling, and then the rest of it's gonna be donated. These clothes are strictly trash. Like, no more of that. I think that's all I'm gonna do tonight. I probably am lying.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother wasn't about you, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Go tell them what you know, what you see, bitches, now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you be. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it.
It's currently 10:24 and I finished everything I had to do. I decluttered, I cleaned, got rid of some things I didn't want, stored some things that I needed to store. I did everything. And that is how I reset for the new year. I'm gonna play Sims for a little bit and then I'm gonna start editing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys want to see next from me, and I will see you guys in the next video.